Can you believe Mary Louise is here? I cannot stand her. Hey, Mary Louise. Oh my God, it's so good to see you. You look amazing. DITLO. Well, okay, let go. Okay, jump. More. Go get it. Jump. Get it! Get it! You're so scary. Ready? 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 Bud. Yay! Good job. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. All right, let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Ready? Ready? Hello. Get it. Can you pull on this hardwood? Can you pull? He's like, oh no. Pull it. Come on. Pull it. Pull it. Come on. Pull. 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 Pull it. Come on. Pull it. Pull. You're gonna go with the hardwood. Oh. Get it. Go get it. Okay, I'm over it. Go to your bed. Go lay down. Good boy. No, go to your bed. No. Warden. Leave it. No. What did I say? What did I say? No. All the way down. All the way, lie down. Lie down all the way. Good boy. Here, your paw. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Why are you so concerned about someone you don't like?
Yeah, Warden. Aren't you like emotionally intelligent? Do you know that your feelings to other people is none of their business, and the other way around as well? Like, you can't control that he doesn't like you.
Yes. Yes. Just finished editing. It's 12:33. Oh, and I am blurry as frick. There we are. Good morning. So I'm making, I guess it's not morning anymore, but hello. Ken is now gone. He's at the gym. I'm making a smoothie. So, I don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, maybe you saw me making this recently. I don't even remember if it was yesterday or what day it was. Now I gotta remember if I put everything in here that I was supposed to put. I think I did. What do you put in your smoothies? I'm curious. I put milk. I don't measure anything, so it's just like, I put milk until it covers the first blade of the blender, a scoop of protein powder, a hefty tablespoon of peanut butter. Honestly, sometimes it might end up being 2 tablespoons because of how hefty the, you know, it's just like a mound, like overflowing. Frozen dark cherries, and frozen berries, and frozen spinach. Oh, and I put coffee in it, I forgot. Cold brew. Concentrate. The one from Trader Joe's. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna drink this now. Bye. It's 3:13. I'm about to edit a vlog. I'm listening to Emanike. Please go listen to him because his literally every song is amazing. I should pause it though because it's still copyrighted. Oh, wrong way. This is what my hair looks like right now because you know what? I was tired of the front parts just falling in my face while I was editing, and this was the quick fix, so here we are. It's the move. I might actually have to eat. That might be something I have to do. Ken left again. He went to the bank this time. He's coming back. I think he wants to eat. So we're probably gonna eat. So I might have just lied to you. I'm gonna start editing this vlog until he gets back though. Right, bud? I mean, you don't have a say in the matter, so. Ken's back. He brought food.
Wait, I'm missing food.
Oh shoot. What'd you miss? Or what did they forget?
Show mine. Did he charge me for it? He didn't.
Oh. Womp, womp, womp. Okay, so Ken's back. As you can, did you notice? But finally we get to catch up on Big Little Lies. Episode 1, Season 2. We finally get to see who Meryl Streep is in this series. And HBO sent us some stuff. So they sent us this box. We got a little parasol. I hope there's no spoilers. What's this? There's a little pink box. Oh my gosh, literally a tea party. This is amazing. Excuse me?
Let's have a kiki. Oh my god, this is so cute.
What? This is adorable. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at this. I love that. That's a big teacup, Henry. You know.
I like this one.
Oh yeah, this too. This box itself. It looks like a coffin or something. Now that's like the welcome box, right? So we also have another box. This one right here. She's a big one. Here we go. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Excuse me?
This is so cool.
Bonnie Carlson. They have one for each of the characters. Oh, this must be...
Oh my god.
What happened?
I'm screaming.
No!
Collected by It's Celeste's wig.
Excuse me? This is amazing. Okay, there's episode 1. I don't know if we should open it now, like before we start, or should we wait?
I think we should wait, and then let's actually have have everyone together. That'd be hilarious.
Oh my gosh. This is
Evidence episode 1 right here.
This is amazing.
Evidence episode 1.
Okay. I'm screaming. Oh my god. I love everything about this whole thing.
Oh my god, Otter Ray Elementary School.
We're gonna
Let's watch
dive into this episode and we will come back to you with an update. We also want to eat, so that's gonna happen. Okay, bye. Episode 1, caught up. We have one more episode to watch, which I guess that box will open. Madeline McKenzie. Why are you looking at me like that?
I just don't trust little people.
I don't appreciate the way you talk to me, and I don't think I deserved it. I can't. The neighbors are gonna think we're dying. Okay, so this is the next box. Contains boxes for each of the next 6 episodes. Don't get ahead of yourself or us. Don't tamper with the evidence. A weekly warrant will be issued in corroboration with the kits designed to tease an element of each episode to accompany your viewing experience. I'm not even gonna be in this country when the next episode comes out, so we're gonna have to catch up on the 3rd one when I come back. Okay, let's see what's in the other one. You want to open up the evidence for episode 2?
Oh my gosh, she has one tablet for insomnia, and there's also handcuffs.
Okay. I mean, she has been having nightmares, so.
Oh my gosh. Yo, these are like sturdy.
Wow, I was gonna say, these look heavy.
Warden, this is not for you. Ooh, these are like real handcuffs that are just pink.
Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, that. Oh shoot, RT.
Well, okay.
Can you believe Mary Louise is here? I cannot stand her. Hey, Mary Louise. Oh my God, it's so good to see you. You look amazing. Okay, so maybe we left the house. Maybe we went to Koreatown and maybe we got some fried chicken. Like maybe we did that. What did you get? What is this?
I said chicken.
I need one.
You're okay.
Also, this is like my favorite thing. I want to make it at home. It's literally just like pickled radish, but is it good? Hey, bud. So I was editing, and there was a part where I asked him, do you want to go outside? And he got up so fast in real life, because he thought I said it in real life, that he knocked this straight the hell over. I mean, it has 3 legs, so it's really easy to knock over, but still. Right, bud? I love this candle because it makes sounds. Do you hear it? We stand ASMR in this house. We ate. It was delicious. We're back. I finished editing. It's exporting right now. And then I'm not gonna, you know, keep working because I'm gonna not do that. It's 11:44. Staying up a little later today. I need to digest these chickens. Right, bud?
What chickens?
These chickens.
What chickens?
These chickens.
What chickens?
These chickens.
What chickens?
These chickens.
What chickens?
And say goodnight, bud. Let's go to bed.
Good night, Warden.
Go to bed. Good night.